Hi and welcome to Get Rid of Technology, Live Your Life Without Technology, without the internet, without computers, without your phone. So I wanted to talk about a bit of my experience of things I realize when I'm working, because often influencers or people with online businesses, freelance people, we work with our computers all the time. We're used to using our computers. So this is like my situation, and you can probably relate. I'm on the computer as usual, and whatever I'm doing, either if I'm answering emails, I have so many things going on at the same time. So I usually have Safari and I have open a shopping website with something that I'm interested in, but I don't quite want to pull the trigger for yet. A shopping website with stuff that I'm sending or links that I'm sending to other people, either my online customers or YouTube people that I want them to know about something that I'm interested in. So I will usually have all these edits in my head that I want to do, like I want to tell you guys about this thing, because I think it's important. I like to share that stuff. So that's one thing that I have open. I have open my music program, waiting for inspiration, or maybe I have the music program because I have some lyrics I'm writing. So if I'm writing lyrics, then I usually have a couple of books on the table. I have my phone with some ideas that maybe I've recorded. I have notebooks where I am trying to write them without going on the computer. Just as a premise, this is not the right thing to do. Close all your windows, focus on one thing. If you must, when you're working with your computer, just do one thing, because otherwise productivity zero. You're not going to be able to finish anything if you have 40 things open. I often also have open the video Final Cut because I'm usually producing a video, but when I'm producing that video, I come to an impasse. I need a new graphic, so that I get on Safari, I look for that graphic or overlay or whatever, and then I find my emails with an email that I don't really need to answer right now, but I'll do it anyway. With my shopping bag, I go on to see more shopping stuff. This is just a nightmare. And then if you're on social media, then forget it, because then if you have social media open, that's over. You are going to be looking at other social media, you're going to get distracted. Eventually you're going to end up at the explore part of Instagram with memes, and just life nowadays is a waste of time. Life with computers and the internet, it's a constant AA situation. Internet's anonymous. You have to constantly be reminding yourself of getting off that track, of first getting off the internet, then getting off the computer, then just focusing on one thing. Don't answer the phone. If you're working by yourself, you can't be answering the phone because this is your work time, remember? So even if you work freelance, you can't be available for everybody. Don't chat with your flatmate, or don't plan things to do that are not work because you're working. So productivity is something that I've been thinking about a lot, especially because I get so distracted. Or you think that maybe you should be going to the gym. Plan these things ahead. Don't go online to look at the classes. Go to the gym. Often they have a leaflet. So here's a really good idea. When you go to the gym, you pick up a leaflet of the program, and then how many gyms do you really go to? Probably to 3 different places max that you like. Pick up a leaflet for each. They have a schedule on paper. Bring that paper, use that paper, scribble on that paper, jot down on your notebook the classes that you want to do. Have a physical planner if you can. I know it's a bit of a pain in the ass to carry a planner, but that's another really good idea. So all of these ideas, I am gonna make a printout version, even just a small one. I'm gonna make a guide. You can refer to it through the day. These are all things that you can do, that you can change from doing them online to doing them on paper. So I'll keep you updated on that. Bye.